gotta sit on my lap, sir. Georgie boy. Hi, you gotta sit on my lap. That's my chair. It's not a love seat, it's just a chair. You up here? Come on, you get up here. Up. Come on. Hello, welcome back to my channel. It is Amanda. We have a new background. We got rid of a desk. George is here. We got some bookcases. George got a haircut today and he doesn't have a beard. I thought this was the perfect first video to film in the new background for the... what are you doing, sir? You can't have those. You can't have my glass grapes. What is little doggo? I thought this would be the... George is sniffing around here. The perfect video. The first video to film with the new setup would be the Cozy Books corner box. This is a bi-monthly subscription service. They have a few different types of subscription services. They have a cozy mystery, they have a mystery thriller, they have true crime, and they also have a t-shirt club for true crime and cozy mysteries. I did open the tape already. Let's see what's in here. All right, so we have the card. All right, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, it looks like the theme is like beachy, campy. The first thing in here is a bath bomb. This is from Sister Made Bath Bomb. And I have to look at the card for the pricing. This retails for $15. It's a camper bath bomb made by the Sister Made. So yeah, it looks like camping and beachy is the theme. I can't really smell it, but that is so cute. Love a cute bath bomb. I don't use them as often as I would like because they are expensive. So that's like a fun little treat to use. The next thing we have is the Happy Camper Logic Puzzles. These are 40 reusable challenges. Let your mind run wild with these addictive brain teasers. So like that's a little cute little game to play if you're on a vacation or road trip or something. This retails for $9. Let's see, reusable cards. It includes a wet dry pen. It's suitable for ages 12 years and up. I was telling my husband and my daughter the other day, we have a ton of board games and puzzles and things like that, and we just don't ever use them, and we really need to because otherwise we're just watching TV or reading, but the games are fun. All right, next we have a little sticker sheet. This is so cute. This is the Outdoor Camping Stickers artwork by Eve Anderson. These are so cute. Oh, look at this vehicle right here. Adorable. It doesn't say anything if they're, I don't think they're like vinyl stickers. Probably not, but you could probably put them on a water bottle. I just don't know how well they'd stay. Ooh, there's a treat. This is the, oh my Woodland Creatures Gummy Kebab by Forever Sweet. That is stinking adorable. And then we have a few more stickers. This is really cute. Are there two here? I have two. I don't know that I'm supposed to have two, but this is the USA State Flower sticker from Katie Daisy. So I have two. They were, I think I'm probably supposed to have one, but that's really pretty. This probably would go on a water bottle if you are a stickers on the water bottle kind of person. I personally am not. Okay, and then we have some books. Oh, this is actually on my Amazon wish list, which is very exciting. This is called Beaches, Bungalows, and Burglaries by Tanya Kappas. I will have to go in and take this off of my Amazon gift list, but that is so fun. I'm really excited to read that because this looks like a great beachy read. You know, I love a beachy read. I don't love going to the beach. I love a beachy read. This retails for $14. And then the other item in here is an Agatha Christie book, and this is called The Seven Dials Mystery, and apparently it's coming to Netflix. So hilariously, I have never read an Agatha Christie book, which is wild considering how many like cozy mystery books or just books in general that I've read in my life. I mean, I've obviously never read everything. That's not possible, but Agatha Christie, I've never read an Agatha Christie book, and my mom has recently started reading these, so I'm gonna read it and then I'll definitely see if she wants this one. I don't know if she has this one. I bought a bunch for her at a used bookstore, and I can't remember the title, so I'll have to look. But that's pretty fun. I didn't know it was coming to Netflix. And I'm a big, you have to read the book before you see the movie or TV show person, so definitely have to read this before I check out whatever this is on Netflix. And this is a big book. You know, some of the books in this box are smaller because they're more indie published, but these both seem to be, or not necessarily indie published, but smaller publishers. You know, they're not mass market. What's the word I'm looking for? You know what I mean, right? What's the word? Husband's playing drums for some reason, even though he knows I'm filming a video, so whatever. It is what it is. So let me add this up. Oh, I don't have a calculator on my iPad. Shut up! So the retail value of everything in this box was $69, which is the cost of the box. And I know that you're not always guaranteed like a higher value than the box you get, but that's usually like a little bit of a perk. I did actually cancel my subscription, not because I disliked it, but I have lots of books to read, so I kind of wanted to just cancel it for a while, read a bunch of things. And I might come back to it at some point. I do enjoy the box. They're fun little treats, and this, you know, the themes are fun, but I did cancel mine for now. There's a coupon on the back of here, so if you want to sign up, you can save $5 off your first box. And that's it. I'm excited that I have a book that was on my wish list, and a book from an author that I know I need to dive into and just haven't yet. So this is probably my favorite box that I've gotten, which is hilarious because it's the last one. Let me know what you guys have been reading lately. Hopefully you enjoyed the new setup. I know this is a book video, and there will also be makeup and nail polish videos filmed in front of books, but oh well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what you're reading. I will talk to you in my next video.